So if you've watched my channel for any length of time, I'm sure you've seen the Sunny motor. It's a small electric paramotor that I built, and I used to use it to fly around with my paraglider. The batteries are now quite a few years old, and I don't really trust them for flying anymore. The other day I was looking at my son's kick scooter, and I kind of got a really crazy idea. Now I've tried kick scooters on bicycles before, but they never really worked that well because of the angle of thrust. You're just too bent over the handlebars. However, on my son's kick scooter, I was in a nice upright position, and it actually worked pretty well. All that being said, it's actually a really bad idea. It's super noisy, sounds like an airplane's coming down the road. It uses a ton of energy to go a short distance. Like, this is a huge battery pack, and at most I've been able to go about 8 miles with it. It does top out around 40 miles an hour, which is pretty impressive. I bet I could push up to 50. Honestly, I'm just a little scared going that fast on these small scooter wheels. The Sunny motor puts out quite a bit of thrust, so I was able to climb gentle hills pretty easily at a good speed. Flying around on the scooter like this, I couldn't help but think that the Sunny motor would also be a lot of fun on a pair of snow skis in the wintertime. But for now, just enjoy the ride as I cruise around the community on this beautiful sunny day with the Sunny motor paramotor. Well, that's all for this video. Let's all keep experimenting.